subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After launching Moto G50 back in March this year, the company has now officially launched the 5G version of it in Australia with quite new design. Talking about the specifications, the Moto G50 5G features a 6.5-inch HD Plus display with 90Hz refresh rate, and it has a tall 20:9 aspect ratio. The phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 700 chipset, paired with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. The phone packs with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage that is further expandable up to 1TB via hybrid microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Moto G50 5G supports a triple camera setup on the rear and a squarish module at the top left corner that includes a 48MP main camera with f1.7 aperture plus 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. At the front, it has 13MP selfie camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The device comes backed by 5000 mAh battery with 15W fast charging support, but it comes bundled with 10W charger inside the box. As per the software, the handset runs on Android 11, and additionally, the smartphone features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 167 by 76.4 by 9.26 mm, and it weighs around 206 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Moto G50 5G has been priced in Australia at 399 Australian dollars, and it is now available for purchase in the country in meteorite grey color option. So what do you guys think of this Moto G50 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.